Let's say the contents of cells A1, A2, B1 and B2 are 0, 0, A, and 0 respectively. What will be the output of the following Microsoft Excel formula is equal to count A1, B2, A4, B1, C0, D3. Answer D, 3. Which of the following is latest version of Excel? A. 2003, B. 2007, C. 2009, D. 2013. Answer C. 2009. What is the intersection of a column and row on a worksheet called? A. Column, B. Value, C. Address, D. Cell. Answer D. Cell. Which of the following symbols is used to enter formula in an MS Excel cell? A. Dollar, B. Plus, C. Hash, D is equal to. Answer D is equal to. Excel files have a default extension of underscore 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 underscore. A. .xlsx, B. .xlw, C. wk1, D. .docs. Answer A. .xlsx. MS Excel 2003 files extension underscore 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 underscore. A. .xlsx, B. .xlw, C. wk1, D. .docs. Answer B. .xlw. By default, a Microsoft Excel 2016 workbook contains underscore 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 worksheet S. A4, B1, C2, D3. Answer A1. The first cell in Excel worksheet is labeled as underscore 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 underscore. A 0, B a 1, C a D a. Answer B a 1. Which of the following format you can decide to apply or not in auto format dialog box? A. Number format, B. Border format, C. Font format, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Which of the following methods cannot be used to enter data in a cell in MS Excel? A. Pressing an arrow key, B. Pressing an tab key, C. Pressing an escape key, D. Pressing the enter button to the formula bar. Answer C. Pressing an escape key. In MS Excel underscore 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 are numbered from 1 to onwards and underscore 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 are numbered from A to onwards. A. Column rows, B. Rows slides, C. Slides rows, D. Rows columns. Answer D. Rows columns. An Excel workbook is a collection of underscore 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 underscore. A. Charts, B. Workbooks, C. Worksheets, D. Worksheets and charts. Answer D. Worksheets and charts. Which Excel workbook is a collection of underscore 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 underscore? A is equal to B plus C, C, D at. Answer A is equal to. In MS Excel, underscore 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 text function is useful for combining values from different cells into a single cells. A. Add, B. Dump, C. Concatenate, D. Merge. Answer C. Concatenate. What is the value of the following MS Excel formula? A. 10, B. 34, C. 30, D. 24. Answer C. 30. What is the shortcut key to hide entire row? A. Control plus, B. Control plus H, C. Control plus R, D. Control plus 9. Answer D. Control plus 9. How can you remove borders application in cells? A. Choose None on Border tab of Format Cells. B. Open the List on Border tool in Format Cell tool bar then choose First tool, None. C. Both of above. D. None of above. Answer C. Both of above. What is the shortcut key to hide entire volume? A. Control plus. B. Control plus 0, 0. C. Control plus H. D. Control plus C. Answer B. Control plus 0, 0. A donut chart in Excel is similar to A. Bubble chart. B. Bar chart. C. Scatter chart. D. Pie chart. Answer D. Pie chart. To select an entire column in MS Excel, press A. Control plus S. B. Control plus C. C. Control plus arrow key. D. None of the above. Answer D. None of the above.